Welcome back to Superbly Said, Advanced English Vocabulary and Phrases.
And remember, this material comes from a SpeakDuo lesson. You can always head over to speakduo.com.
Yeah, great place to practice English speaking on video calls, meet people, and, build that confidence.
Exactly. So, these phrases we're looking at today?
They're really key for advanced learners, adding that bit of extra texture. Let's jump right in with cozy up.
Cozy up. Okay, so this means getting close, comfortable. Usually for warmth or maybe affection.
Right, but it's a bit different from just, say, snuggling. Cozy up often has this sense of actively choosing to settle in the movement itself.
Ah, okay, so it's more deliberate. Like, if you were asked in maybe an IELTS speaking part, what do you like to do when it's raining?
Good example. An advanced answer could be, I love to cozy up on the couch with a blanket and just watch movies all day. It sounds really natural.
Definitely. Okay, so from comfort to maybe difficulty. Let's look at to go through something.
Yes. Now, this isn't just saying someone endured something hard. Go through emphasizes the whole process, the duration of the difficult experience.
And often there's an implication of learning or growth from it, right?
Exactly. So you might ask someone, what's something challenging you've gone through that, ultimately made you stronger? It focuses on that journey.
Got it. Makes sense. How about journeys of a different kind? To be on the road.
Right. So to be on the road means traveling from place to place. But it's different from just general traveling.
How so?
Well, on the road usually implies sustained, frequent travel, often for work. Think musicians on tour, salespeople.
Ah, okay. Away from their home base for extended periods. So you might say to a colleague, our sales team spends months on the road meeting clients.
Precisely. Or musicians are constantly on the road during concert season. It carries that professional touring sense.
Okay. Next up, high highs. Sounds dramatic.
It can be. It refers to moments of really extreme excitement, success, or emotional peaks.
So not just successes or milestones.
Not quite. High highs is almost always used figuratively, usually contrasted with low lows to describe sort of emotional volatility or extremes.
I see. So talking about the pressures of a certain career, maybe? Like fame can bring incredible high highs, but also really difficult low lows.
Exactly that. Captures the intense contrast.
So if you have those high highs, maybe you need to bring yourself back down?
Perfect. Transition. Yes, to bring yourself back down is about consciously calming yourself, becoming grounded again after excitement or stress.
So it's more active than just relaxing?
Definitely. It implies a deliberate effort to descend from that heightened state, whether it's stress or even intense happiness, back to a centered feeling.
Right. Like in a wellness context, you might say, spending time in nature really helps me bring myself back down after a crazy busy week.
That's a great example. Okay, shifting gears slightly, to look forward to something. This one seems simpler.
It is common, but there's a nuance. It means feeling excited or happy about a future event.
The key here is the positive emotional feeling. It's not neutral like anticipate or expect, which could be for something good or bad. Look forward to is explicitly positive.
Got it. So pretty versatile in social contexts? I'm really looking forward to the holidays this year.
Exactly. Or I'm looking forward to seeing my family. Simple, positive anticipation.
Okay. What about to dig into something? Sounds like effort.
It implies effort and energy, yes. It means to start doing something with real enthusiasm, or to examine something closely, with focus.
So more than just starting something?
Much more. Dig into suggests real engagement, curiosity, maybe deep focus, a higher level of commitment.
Okay. So at work, launching a new initiative, you might say, right team, let's really dig into this new project and see what we can achieve. Shows you're ready to get involved deeply.
Perfect. It conveys that energy.
And our last phrase?
To be big on something.
Ah, like having a strong interest.
Exactly. It means being very enthusiastic about or very interested in something. It suggests more than just enjoying it. It's often a major interest or hobby.
So more commitment than just liking something casually? You could say, I'm really big on gardening lately. It's so relaxing.
Precisely. It shows a significant level of interest. Okay, ready for a quick quiz to consolidate these?
Let's do it. Test our listeners.
All right. Question 1. What does cozy up mean? Is it option A, to withdraw quietly and rest? Option B, to get physically close and comfortable for warmth or relaxation? Or option C, to sleep immediately?
Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to think about cozy up.
Okay, the correct answer is B, to get physically close and comfortable. Remember our example? You cozy up under a blanket with a book.
Nice. Question 2?
Question 2. If someone goes through something, it means they. Option A, experience a difficult or emotional situation. Option B, pass quickly without consequences. Or option C, avoid a situation.
What does go through imply? Take a second.
The answer is A. They experience a difficult situation. It's about the process of going through something tough, like moving abroad alone and maybe growing from it.
Makes sense. Number 3?
Question 3. To be on the road means to. Option A, travel from place to place, often for work or touring. Option B, work remotely from home. Or option C, plan a future trip.
Think about that professional travel context for be on the road.
And the answer is A. Traveling place to place, often for work, like those musicians on the road for months.
Okay, question 4.
What does bring yourself back down mean in this context? Option A, to criticize yourself. Option B, to stop doing something and rest physically. Or option C, to help yourself feel calm and grounded again.
Remember the idea of conscious effort to bring yourself back down.
The answer is C, to help yourself feel calm and grounded, like using nature to bring yourself back down after stress.
Got it. Halfway there. Question 5?
Question 5. If someone says they've had high highs, they mean option A, they've stayed optimistic. Option B, they've experienced moments of great success or excitement. Or option C, they've maintained consistent emotional stability.
What are high highs usually contrasted with?
Right. The answer is B, moments of great success or excitement, like getting that dream job, being a real high.
Okay, number 6.
To look forward to something means to. Option A, wait for something uncertain. Option B, feel excited or happy about something that will happen. Or option C, remember something pleasant from the past.
What's the emotional tone of look forward to?
It's positive, so the answer is B, feeling excited or happy about a future event, like when you look forward to the holidays.
2 more. Question 7.
To dig into something means to. Option A, finish something quickly. Option B, refuse to get involved. Or option C, begin working on something with energy or curiosity.
Think about the level of engagement with dig into.
The answer is C, begin working with energy or curiosity. You're ready to dig into that new project.
All right, last one. Question 8.
If someone is big on something, it means they. Option A, do it occasionally. Option B, avoid it. Or option C, are enthusiastic about or very interested in it.
How strong is the interest when you're big on something?
It's strong, so the answer is C, enthusiastic or very interested, like being big on gardening or cooking.
Great. So hopefully that quiz helped solidify things. Using these 8 phrases really can add significant depth to your English. They show a more nuanced understanding.
Definitely. Think about the active choice in cozying up, or the professional commitment implied by being on the road, or that intense focus when you dig into something. Small phrases, big impact.
Absolutely. Keep practicing them. Try working them into your conversations.
And don't forget to check your email for the daily quiz and the review of this session. If you want unlimited practice and that instant AI feedback, do consider upgrading to SpeakDuo Premium.
Sign up today and speak with more confidence.